Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Cookie Manager inside your browser or app settings. Go straight to Privacy or Storage and select Cookie Manager. Once there, enable Advanced or Developer Mode to reveal full cookie details so you can act precisely. Make sure to identify the domain you want to edit, then note cookie names, expiration dates, and secure/HTTP only flags so you know which entries matter and why you'll change them. Once you've located the domain, filter entries and inspect each cookie's name, value, path, and expiry to decide what needs editing. You can edit values or toggle flags like secure or HTTP only directly. Use copy/paste or the edit control to avoid typos. Make sure to export selected cookies as JSON or CSV for backup before bulk changes so you can restore if something breaks. And remember short edits, avoid unnecessary session resets. After editing, save changes and reload the site to confirm the effect. Sometimes you must clear cache or restart the browser for new cookie values to take effect. If you need a clean test, open an incognito window or a different browser to isolate state. If things go wrong, restore the exported backup or revert individual cookies you changed. This targeted rollback fixes most issues without losing other browser data, so you don't disrupt unrelated sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.